Today you might see on the lesson plan that we're doing a fruity still life sculpture, but unfortunately we ran out of that fun clay because some little cuties had so much fun creating things with that clay. It's all gone. So today we're gonna do something different from the schedule. We are creating just some really fun projects where you're gonna take watercolor paint, oil, and a sheet of paper, and you know how oil doesn't mix with water, right? Wait till you see the magic happen. It's gonna be super cool. For today's art project, we are going to need a tray. This is a tray that we typically use for science experiments, so it's not one that we reuse for baking, but if you clean it right away, it should be fine. We have some droppers here, we have oil, and then we have 4 different colors of watercolor paints. We have watercolor concentrate. This is Color Splash watercolor concentrate, and we mixed it with some water. So we have about, I'd say, a teaspoon of water and maybe 20 drops of the watercolor paint. And what we're going to do in the tray is we are going to take the droppers and we are going to drop oil onto the tray, and we're going to drop the watercolor paint onto the tray, and then we're going to take sheets of paper and we are going to dip it into the mixture. All right, ready guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do the oil. All right, ready? And go. So you're gonna try to put the oil wherever you put the paint. And try to cover an area about as large as your sheet of paper. Do you see it separating? That's so cool. All right, let's take our sheet of paper and see what happens. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. All right, let's lift it up.
Whoa.
Whoa, that is so cool. And you can take more than one sheet of paper and keep making prints like this. These would make really cool papers for writing a letter to a friend, or you can even send this to a friend. Aren't these cool? I love how it turned out. Another way you can do it is you can take your sheet of paper, you can put it on the tray, and you can douse it in the oil and the paint. Let's take some more oil and put it on the sheet of paper. And let's pick it up and move it around and see what happens. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa, we're getting kind of like a marble effect going on. That was so cool how it turned out on the photo paper, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, let's try it on regular paper. So we're gonna take an eyedropper with oil, and we're gonna take an eyedropper with paint, and let's see what happens. Okay, you guys go. And try not to mix too many colors at once or it's gonna get muddy looking, right? And then move it around on the paper. Whoa. So pretty.
It looks like a mermaid. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what's really fun about this is it's abstract and you can kind of see what it's going to turn into.
Looks like it kind of looks like a person dancing. Those are the feet, and that's the way.
Yeah, that's what I see too.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a mermaid. I see a mermaid. Yeah, oh, it's a mermaid.
Uh-oh, the dancer got 3 legs.
Oh.
That was so fun, wasn't it, you guys? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I want to show them how yours turned out. Whoa! cool. This one's on photo paper, so it didn't absorb as much as it does on regular paper. That turned out really cool. How about this one? Ooh, it's kind of like a galaxy. Super cool. And then we have several more. We made a bunch of prints. Woohoo! Awesome! Nice job, girls! We did find that cardstock is king. The thicker the paper, the better. Photo paper worked pretty well, except it doesn't absorb. So you have to kind of keep rolling it around to get it to soak into the paper. Regular printer paper is good, but it's very thin, so it can rip easily and you have to be really careful with it. It's gonna take a while to dry because of that oil, so try to make sure that you don't use too much oil, okay? We are going to be posting new lessons for the following week. Those are going to be up on our blog, so please go to www.wildfreeandcrafty.com and please sign up for our email newsletter or subscribe to our blog so you can get notifications when we post that next lesson plan. We will have a supply list again as well. Also, we are posting albums coming up this week on Facebook, on our Wild Free and Crafty Facebook page and the Rustic Orchid Facebook page. So when we post the picture of projects from the last couple weeks, we would love it if your parent could comment on that post, and then we can see pictures of everybody's work. That would be super cool. Last of all, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please click that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified whenever we do new videos. We would love to have you join us every day for our art lessons. Thank you guys so much. If you want to donate, we do have a link through PayPal. It's paypal.me/therusticOrchid. RUSTICORCHID. So if you feel like you'd love to donate, you can go ahead and do so that way. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!